Unlock financial freedom, smart investing tips. What's up everybody, it's Mahmoud Musa, and welcome to your ultimate guide to financial freedom. Listen, I get it. Talking about money can be a little dry, but trust me on this one. Mastering your finances is the key to living life on your own terms. Today, we're diving deep into the essentials of investing and money management. Whether you're starting with a few bucks or you're already rolling in it, this video is packed with actionable tips to help you build a solid financial future. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive in and start building your wealth. Look, let's be real. Stuffing your cash under the mattress might sound tempting, but it's not going to get you very far. Investing is how you make your money work for you. It's about putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow over time, like a magic money tree, but better. And the real secret sauce here is compound interest. It's like this. You earn interest on your initial investment, and then you earn interest on that interest, and so on. It's like a snowball effect that can turn small sums into serious wealth over time. Plus, when you invest, you're not just building wealth, you're also fighting back against inflation. Because let's face it, $1 today is not going to buy you $1's worth of stuff in the future. Inflation eats away at your purchasing power, but smart investments can help you stay ahead of the curve. And the best part? Investing can create multiple streams of income, from rental properties to dividends, giving you financial security and peace of mind. Okay, so you're ready to start investing, but where do you even begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. For those just starting out, I always recommend dipping your toes into the stock market. Now I know what you're thinking, the stock market, isn't that risky? And yeah, there's always some risk involved. But hear me out. Over the long haul, the stock market has consistently trended upwards. Plus, with the power of index funds and ETFs, you can spread your investments across hundreds or even thousands of companies, minimizing your risk and maximizing your potential for returns. Now if you're looking for something a little more tangible, real estate is always a solid option. Owning property can provide you with rental income and potential appreciation over time. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, starting your own business can be an incredibly rewarding investment. Just remember, every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards, so it's crucial to do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Chapter 3. Alright, let's talk about the foundation of it all. Managing your money like a boss. The first step, creating a budget. I know, budgeting might sound about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's the key to understanding where your money is going and identifying areas where you can cut back. Next up, embrace the golden rule of personal finance. Pay yourself first. Before you even think about spending a dime, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep and how hard that money works for you. And whatever you do, avoid bad debt like the plague. Credit cards and high-interest loans can quickly spiral out of control, so focus on paying down debt as quickly as possible and living within your means. Chapter 4. Even the savviest investors make mistakes, but the key is to learn from them and avoid repeating them. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people jumping into investments without doing their research. Remember, knowledge is power, so take the time to understand the ins and outs of any investment before you put your hard-earned money on the line. Another common mistake is putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes is crucial to mitigating risk and maximizing your potential for returns. And for the love of all things financial, don't let your emotions dictate your investment decisions. It's easy to get caught up in the hype of the market, but remember, slow and steady wins the race. Stick to your investment strategy, avoid impulsive decisions, and focus on the long game. Chapter 5. Look, building wealth and achieving financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and a solid understanding of both investing and money management. Remember, the road to financial success starts with a single step. Start small, stay consistent with your investments, and never stop learning. Whether you're just starting out or you're well on your way, the key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing, because the truth is, the perfect time is now. The sooner you start, the more time you have for your money to grow and compound, setting you up for a brighter financial future. And there you have it, the roadmap to unlocking your financial freedom. I hope these tips have empowered you to take control of your finances and start building the future of your dreams. Remember, knowledge is only powerful when you act on it. So, don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take what you've learned and put it into practice. Start small, be consistent, and never stop learning. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and advice to help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and remember, the journey to financial freedom starts today.